So far, we have studied the analysis of continuous beams with different end conditions. For example, both the ends are fixed. One end is fixed and another end is on simple or hinged or roller support. And one end is fixed and other end is overhang. Here we have solved the different end conditions and the continuous beams with sinking and settlement of the support, rotation of the supports. Now we will study the analysis of the portal frames. Here there are two types of portal frames. In the analysis, we can classify them as non-sway portal frame and sway portal frame. Here, in case of non-sway portal frame, delta equals 0. That is, delta is side sway. Here, if you can consider the portal frame as non-sway, that is, if the horizontal member is fixed or hinged. Horizontal member means the beam. Horizontal member is fixed or hinged. Fixed or hinged. Then that is considered as non-sway. Then that is non-sway. Similarly, here we can consider portal frame is symmetrical. Portal frame is symmetrical. Symmetrical means geometrically it is symmetrical, or with respect to load it is symmetrical, or with respect to vertical axis. Portal frame is symmetrical about vertical axis. It may be geometrically or it may be with respect to load. That is symmetrical about vertical axis. In all respects, similar to human body, if you split the human body into two equal parts, that is vertically, you will get two equal parts. Here delta equals 0 in all these portal frames for non-sway portal frames. Here this one is, you can consider them as if the horizontal member is fixed. Here the examples are, this one is one of the portal frame. Here this end is fixed. The horizontal member is fixed like this. This one is beam, this one is column. Here it is subjected to the force in the lateral direction, but here this one is fixed, hence this is non-sway. Similarly, similar examples are, here this one is fixed end and this one is the vertical column. It is subjected to the load like this. Here this one is the load, this one is fixed, and this end is on hinge and is subjected to, there is a small portion is overhanged like this. This one is non-portal frame. Since non-sway portal frame, since the horizontal member is fixed. Similarly, here if you observe this one is fixed, this one is also fixed like this. Here this one is, the horizontal member is fixed like this. So there is a small portion of the beam is extended beyond the support. Here these are all the examples for non-sway portal frames. Here this one is another example. Here both the loads are, it is subjected, horizontal member is subjected to load. This one is, if you observe this load and this load, they are, this one is h by 2, this one is also h by 2. Here the height of the column is h. Then this one is symmetrical axis. This one is symmetrical axis. Then this type of portal frames, what I have shown in the figure here, for these are non-sway portal frames. For these we can analyze similar to the continuous beams. That is, here, or if you consider a beam that is subject, if you consider a portal frame, if it is subjected to 2-point loads on either side of, here this one is, here this is W at a distance of A from this end. Similarly, there is another load of W at same distance A. This one is W, this one is W. This one is also non-sway, that is non-sway portal frames. Here these are all non-sway portal frames. Here the sway delta is equal to 0. Non-sway portal frames. Delta equals 0 in all these cases. Here this is similar to the continuous